So today I'm making this. This is a kale with garlic, mushrooms and cream. Really delicious. I like to sort of serve that, you know, with some steak or something, or some chicken, roasted chicken or something on the side. Beautiful, nice little side dish. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so look, I've got my kale here. I've got about, well, there's 2 bunches there. It's about sort of maybe 10 or 12 cups. You can see it's quite a large bowl. You can see my hands here. What I've done is I've given it a wash and I've shredded it like that. We're going to get on with this first. So when I say we're going to get on with this first, what I mean is we're going to cook the kale separately and then get back and cook the mushrooms and then add it. Okay, now I'm going to be frying this. If you want, you can just boil it away or steam it away. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, 1 cup of onion, and then we're going to grab all of our kale and drop that in above medium heat. I'm going to get some salt and some pepper in there now. And it looks like tons of it, doesn't it? But it will reduce down as the heat starts to hit it. Probably going to be about 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be stir frying this around. And like I say, if you want, you could just be putting some water in there now and sort of steam it out a bit, but I'm just going for the fried method. Look, you can see that's cooked right down, hasn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to fetch this out, keep the pan exactly like that. You don't need to clean it or anything. Just want to show you that. So I know these containers very well. So that's about 3 cups of cooked kale. Let's move on. Okay, look, we're back in the same pan here. A few little bits and pieces in there, don't worry about that. I've added some more oil, another 2 or 3 tablespoons. We're going to go with another cup. So that's 2 cups in total of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, and we're going to go for about 3 minutes above medium heat. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Perfect. Next up, we're going to add some mushrooms. I've got some white button mushrooms here, or regular sized mushrooms. And again, you can see roughly the same amount in volume to the kale. That's actually 250 grams, if you're interested in the weight. I'm going to add a teaspoon of dried basil or basil, but you know, change that to rosemary, oregano, thyme, up to you. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 or so minutes. We might get a bit of moisture from the mushrooms. Beautiful. Now we're going to grab the kale and get that in. And stir in all the time. Let's go for 2 minutes. We're nearly done. Now, if you want to keep this vegan, you can go just like this. This is actually beautiful. Serve it like that. But we're going to add some cream. Now let's just take a look at the cream. I get loads of questions about this. This is a thick cooking cream. It will make no difference if you use thick cream or what we call in the UK single cream, like a runny cream. No difference at all. So in the UK we have single cream, which is the runny cream, and double cream, which is a thicker one. I know you guys in America have like half and half and stuff like that. I don't really understand all that, to be honest. But it will make no difference. 2 minutes or so, stirring all the time. That cream's going to dissolve down and be really beautiful. Hey, look, you might have noticed I didn't add any more salt or pepper to the mushrooms, but that's because that kale is seasoned enough and it's going to do its job in the whole finished product. If you want, adjust it. as you wish. All right, off goes the heat. And that's really, really beautiful, nice and tasty. And there you have it. That really is nice as a kind of side with some steak or some chicken or something like that. Nice, easy, simple. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.